My name is Nikki. If you are new here, I'm the owner of NicoleAlexiaDesigns, and as you can see, I am in a different office. That's what this vlog is. Basically, I wanted to explain myself really quickly, and then we will just go ahead and jump straight into me moving everything because that footage was recorded last week. Basically what happened was I moved the office to Mom's back when Colby moved in because we needed the room. We got another puppy back in February, that is Aspen, and then Colby was working a job, or he still is working a job, where he works on a Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. He works very long hours. So I was able to take care of the puppy on the weekend, and then I started to take off Mondays and just do design work and whatnot behind the scenes. And then he would take care of the puppy throughout the week while I was at work. So that has been great. Other than me not being able to be at the office on Mondays, that's not my favorite, but it's okay. He is going to be going back to school. So that means I needed to come back here so that I can puppy sit while I work. Not even puppy sit, they're okay to be by themselves. I just feel really bad leaving them by themselves. So it seems like the best thing to do would be to go ahead and come back here. This room was just, for the first part, this room was being used as a second bedroom. We had another bed in here. Because of COVID, nobody was staying with us or anything, so we decided to go ahead, change this over into like a home gym. And we still have part of that here, you guys will see in just a second, but there was one machine, a Bowflex machine that neither of us were using, so it just made sense to go ahead. We got rid of it, Mom actually has it, and keep the Peloton in here because it's pretty small, and then we moved out everything else. He had some of his DJ stuff set up in here. So yeah, this is now the office again. I'm not thrilled. I like having the work separation, that I can leave my house and at the same time that be kind of like leaving my job. It's a bit overwhelming to have all of this here because my house is very small, but at the same time it is nice to be able to work whenever I want. Like right now, for example, I'm about to start mass printing while I edit this vlog. But yeah, so that is what's going on. That is why the office is here. And now I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys the footage of us moving it, and then I will kind of do a quick little walk around tour. If you guys want a full office tour, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so it has now been about 4 or 5 days since the office was moved. So I have been working in here. Mom has also been here working, so it isn't as pretty as it was when we first got everything moved in. We do have some stuff out, but that's just kind of how it goes. So I wanted to do a bit of an overview, as well as a walkthrough. I'm not gonna do like a full office tour or anything, but I did want to kind of just show you guys what it's looking like. So I'm going to, I don't want to show you guys this, but I'm going to start with the closet. So this is storage for us for like extra things, but then we've got extra minks. We've got some DJ things, and then I've got my 2 Raskog carts in here that hold stickers, as well as there's some extra shelves. This is the vinyl I film on. There are some planners under here, and then there's a bunch of planners down there. So this is just a little bit of extra storage. I do have the Peloton in this corner. So I wanted to not have to move that into the bedroom, so there was a large cube here. I believe I got footage of us moving that out. I'm not positive if I did or not because the camera did die in the middle of us doing everything. Then we have the cutting station over here, as well as the laser printer. I do have a box that came that's got some mats and some paper in it from Amazon the other day, and then that is our trash bin. That's where I like to put the sticker scraps. It is just a felt bin from Target. So we've got the laser printer here, and then we've got machines. I do have like, I want to say 6 more machines. I don't like cutting on that many at one time. I find that really just kind of like lags everything down. I find that it's easier for me to use 6. It would probably be faster to use more, but for me personally, I just think that it's too much of a headache. I do have my mats and everything out right now. This is the computer that I use for cutting. That's the only thing this is used for, is printing and cutting. And then this computer over here I use for order fulfillment. Right now I'm using it for designing because I still don't have my laptop replacement, and for video editing and everything like that. But I do run all of the machines and the printers and everything just off of this computer. Got some pops back there. I've got a planner stack here. Just a couple of things because I did package orders yesterday. I've got some PR freebies over here. And then if we come over here, we've got Baby Yoda and Baymax sitting in some storage bins. I like to keep these because when we do oops bags or destash or stuff like that, I like to have extra bins to put things in. And then these I will use for other things as well. It's just nice to have extras that I can pull from. So down here, we have got some kit stock. Over here, we've got functional stock. These are from Container Store. Like I said, if you guys want a full office overview where I kind of tell you where everything is from, let me know in the comments down below and I can do that. But yeah, so we've got functional here. We've got some ink over here. These are oops in this bin, and then there are bow scripts in that bin. Down here is a bunch of destash and oops. We've got washi as well as planners down there. Extra mailers, well, not extra, these are the mailers that we're using. We have extra mailers somewhere else. A scale that needs to be pushed back. And then over here, we have got the printers. We've got some paper, extra cello bags. This is where Mom likes to store some of the cut foil. And then we've got tons of mailers up top, including our hollow bubble mailers. So these 2 printers we're using for stickers, and then the bottom one is just for invoicing. I prefer to use that and not waste ink through either the laser printer or through those. And then one reason that we went ahead and moved the office was because we were really low on paper, so it was gonna be way easier. Also, I want to mention this because I'm probably gonna get asked. This is our clear paper. I use the Online Labels bins. I save these, but this is not from Online Labels. I know I've heard that their clear paper is back to being terrible again. I've not used that since they had the first bad batch. So just in case you were wondering, I know people are talking about switching their clear papers. This is not that. So I have heard it's still bad. So that's not what we use. Luckily, after I switched, I've not had any issues. So if we come back here, we have got extra foil rolls through here. These are all baby rolls. And then some cloths that we wipe the sticker sheets down with. And then in this corner, I have got the foiling machine, and then we've just got scissors, and there's like an external drive and whatnot. Mom is still foiling in the kitchen just because that's what she likes to do. When I was in here Saturday working, I foiled here on this desk, and then I'm also gonna use this for photos and whatnot. Although the dining room table gets the best light in this house, that's where I've started filming now. And then if we go down here, sorry, it's a bit of a mess. This is Mom's foil trash. We've got a bunch of machines in this bag, some extras. There's also some extras in the closet. And then This is where we keep the large rolls that mom uses all the time, so she is able to, in the morning, just come and grab what she needs. That's another thing she's currently using this desk for, is to cut foil. But yeah, so that is what it's looking like. I mean, it turned out nicely. It's pretty similar to the setup that I had before, but a few things are definitely changed. I'm hoping that this will work out for us. I think for right now, it's gonna be pretty good. The dogs are okay. I'm not letting Aspen in the office. Ozzy doesn't really shed. He sheds a very teensy bit, but Aspen is German Shepherd Husky, so she does shed. She doesn't like to be in this room anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but we are making sure that she does not come into this room, and then every day, same as I normally would, vacuuming it because there's sticker scraps everywhere. But yeah, I don't think that's gonna be an issue, and it is nicer for me as far as vlogging goes in here because it's so much easier when I'm in my own home to be like, oh, you know, I have on this, I look really bad, I can go change really quickly, and then get set up. And I can also get footage when mom isn't around, you know, which is, it's just nice to have that flexibility as far as that goes. But yeah, so that is what the office is looking like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, guys.